Routing for a sink template for Acacia butcherblock panels is simple and easy. Now that the tops are joined together, you'll want to use this sink cutout template. To get a rough cut for the sink, start with a drill hole and use a jigsaw. This template is for an undermount sink. Acacia panels are solid wood, so they are suitable for using undermount sinks. The edges here will be cleaned up with a bearing bit router. A CNC can be used as well. The edge will be rounded and stained to finish it off. Once the sink opening has been cleaned up to the template, a roundover bit will be used to finish the edges. The next step will be to round over the edges of the finished countertop.